Today we're going to be talking about mastering math in first grade. Here at Stockwell Place Elementary, we use a math program called Eureka Math. The program emphasizes conceptual thinking. In first grade, we cover 6 different modules to meet all of the first grade math standards. Within each module, we cover different topics. We teach both whole group and small group lessons in order to meet the needs of our students. Our goal is to complete our problem sets in class as we emphasize on showing our understanding and reasoning with each mathematical application. With our Eureka program, there's also a technology component called Zearn. The students are able to complete their Zearn lessons in class, which match their problem sets, as well as use it at home for extra practice. In first grade, because we're teaching more on a conceptual level, we need our students to understand the relationship between numbers, not just memorize facts. There are many different number sentences or equations that can be made if our students understand how the number bond works. So we work a lot on number bonds and placing the numbers in the correct places so the students are able to see how the numbers work together instead of just memorizing their facts. Another important topic that we teach is place value. Students will need to understand that a 110 and 6 ones is equal to the number 16. They will use the make a 10 strategy as well as take from 10 strategy this year. It's not too early to start working on focusing those 10 partners on understanding how to make a 10. Something else that is important is being able to understand what plus, minus, and equal signs mean. We really teach the students how to watch their signs and where to apply those signs. Students will see equations written in many different ways. For example, they may see that 5 plus 3 equals 8, but they will also see an equation that says 8 equals 5 plus 3. So the things that we work on to help them understand that is balancing equations so that they understand that what's on one side of the equal sign is going to be the same as the other. They have to balance each other out and be equal. We really want our first graders to be problem solvers. Students should be able to show their thinking with pictures, number sentences, and words. They will be asked to explain their reasoning. For example, how they got their answer, not just the answer, but how they came up with their answer, what strategies they used to be able to find their answer. It is a conceptual program. However, fluency does matter. Students begin by understanding what addition and subtraction means with the number bonds, but once they gain that understanding, fluency is a must for them to be successful as they build upon their learning in first grade. We will use a computer-based program for fluency as well as a paper pencil test such that we will do weekly in class. It is important that students become fluent with their facts, so practicing at home is definitely something that's important. As far as grades in math this year, we do have a weekly math grade. Quizzes will be on topics. Tests will be at the end of the topics. We do have both a mid-module and end-of-module test. We like to send home study guides for the students to study and also for the parents to be able to see what their students will be tested on. We don't want you to be stressed about this or worried about it because we do cover these things in class and also give you notice so that you know what your child will be tested on weekly. How can you help at home? It's important to go over those problem sets and have your student be able to explain what they did in math on a daily basis. Once we do get started with our reflex program, we want them to fill up their green light at least 4 times a week. There are several YouTube videos online that you can find for Eureka Math that'll kind of show you how the program works. And the Zearn lessons are available as well if your child needs some extra practice at home.